Let's learn 5 phrasal verbs with set. Firstly, set about. This means to start doing something. For example, what a night! It's time to set about the cleaning. Set aside. This means to save a bit of something for later. For example, set aside some of the mixture for the topping. Set off. This means to trigger a device or chain of events, or start a journey. Who set off the alarm? Set on or upon. This means to attack. Be nice, Mr. Bull, or I'll set my dog on you. And finally, set up. This means to trick or deceive someone, or to assemble or install something. I've been trying to set up my new computer all morning. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.